Comey's lawyers seek dismissal of indictment after Halligan's grand jury controversy. Former FBI Director James Comey's legal team has filed a motion asking a federal judge to throw out the indictment against him, arguing that the grand jury never gave its final approval. The defense points to statements from interim U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan that the indictment, which omitted a count previously rejected by jurors, was never presented in its complete form to the full panel. According to the filing, the grand jury voted to reject the only version the government offered, and Halligan subsequently signed a new 2-count indictment that the jurors never saw or voted on. Comey's attorneys claim this procedural flaw makes the indictment void and request the case be dismissed as early as Monday, describing the government's handling of the grand jury process as flagrantly improper. They note that at least a dozen jurors did not approve the final document, undermining its legitimacy. The motion could spark another intense week of legal maneuvering before the courts pause for Thanksgiving. The filing aggregates a series of complaints that the Justice Department has acted inappropriately, from misstatements about the grand jury's vote to the alleged withholding of critical evidence. Halligan earlier insisted the full jury never reviewed the indictment, then later argued there were no errors in its preparation, citing a September 25 hearing transcript where a magistrate judge was informed of the jury's vote to approve charges. Comey's lawyers argue that the prosecutor's later revisions contradict earlier court representations and hinge on a misreading of an ambiguous exchange with the jury foreperson. In a separate brief, they contend that a magistrate judge's order to release grand jury materials to the defense should remain intact despite objections from prosecutors, which the presiding judge has temporarily halted. The original magistrate ruling highlighted a disturbing pattern of investigative missteps, prompting Comey's team to compare the government's stance to allowing a house to burn because the fire department wasn't expected. They maintain the judge's order was neither erroneous nor unlawful, and that factual grounds exist to dismiss the indictment due to irregularities in the grand jury proceedings. Additionally, Comey's attorneys criticise Halligan's handling of the case just days after her appointment, including alleged misstatements of Comey's rights and other prosecutorial missteps. The article was later updated with further reporting